Hello, it's Cam from Stafford Land Rover showing today this approved used Land Rover Range Rover HSE finished in grey. This 2024 model comes with a 3 litre P460e petrol plug-in hybrid engine and is paired to an automatic gearbox. The large pixel LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night. And this car stands on 22-inch, 5 split-spoke, diamond turned with satin dark grey contrasting wheels. This Range Rover has around 725 litres of usable boot space capacity, allowing room for multiple large suitcases or even a pushchair. There is a removable and adjustable parcel shelf as well as adjustable air suspension to help lift heavier items into the car, and there is automatic boot close buttons located on the bottom and on the top as well. Stepping into the back of the car, we will find the ebony interior with the matching ebony semi-aniline leather seats. They do contain ISOFIX points as well as a fold-down armrest which will reveal 2 cup holders as well as a storage tray. Backseat passengers can also utilise their own climate control vent, which does include 2 USB-C ports as well as a 12-volt socket. Making our way up front, we see the continuation of the ebony interior with the highlighting contrast on the door sills. The seats are the same as in the back, this time with additional side support for extra comfort, and they are electronically operated with lumbar support. Taking a look at the multifunctional 2-spoke, 2-tone leather-wrapped steering wheel, we can find controls on the left for the virtual cockpit and voice control, and on the right for the heated steering wheel and the cruise control options. The virtual cockpit has different display layout options to best suit driver preference. This includes map, dial and focused. Speaking of map, the main touchscreen infotainment system does include satellite navigation, which has useful shortcuts such as nearby EV and fuel stations. As well as this, we can use radio with FM and DAB and connect to Bluetooth to allow for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The controls for the heated and ventilated seats are found here as well, which do contain varying levels of power to best suit the current weather conditions. And by clicking on the camera icon in the bottom left, it will bring up the rear view parking camera as well as 3D and satellite imagery to help manoeuvre this larger vehicle. Below that, there is a covered pocket which reveals a storage place for your phone with a USB-C charging port. Behind the centre console, there are cup holders beneath this sliding cover, and they can also be slid back to reveal a deeper storage pocket with 2 more USB ports. And finally, the armrest can also be lifted up to reveal another storage pocket. This one can be chilled. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this approved used Land Rover Range Rover HSE. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team now.